Hello friends, welcome to AlphaNumericTricks. In this video, we are going to find the missing numeral for these two expressions. These two questions are asked in bank exam and LIC ADO. Now, we are going to see how to find the missing numerals from these two expressions. First question is, we have to find out the value of this question mark number missing value that is subtracted from 2763, which that number is in bracket, which is divided by 86 into 13 is equal to 208. Okay, now we have to replace this question mark by x for our convenience. So your problem becomes x minus 2763 divided by 86 into 13 is equal to 208. According to the order of operations, first you have to evaluate the bracketed term first. Okay, because of this x, we can't simplify this bracketed term. So we go for the next preferences. Okay, next preferences for division and multiplication. Division and multiplication are of same level of priority, and you have to in such case that here when you are simplifying this type of problem, you have a confusion, and most of us have a confusion. What confusion? Either you have to multiply this 86 by 13, the resulting number is divided by this bracketed number, or otherwise you have to divide this 86 by, that is a bracketed number, by 86, and the resulting number is multiplied by 13. That is the confusion we have. Okay, no more confusions at all, because the order of operation clearly says that whenever you have same level of priorities, you have to operate it from left to right. Okay, whatever the term first occur, whatever the operation first occur, that you have to evaluate it first. That is the order of operation says. Okay, so according to that, you have to divide this, that is first you have to complete this division first and then go for multiplication. So the x minus 2763 is divided by 86. You have to operate this expression first and then you go for the next level. So you have x minus 2763 divided by 86 into 13 is equal to 208. Okay, now to simplify this expression, or you get the value of x, you have to take this 13 to right hand side. When you're taking this to right hand side, because it is in multiplication, so when you're taking multiplication 13 to right hand side, it is division of division. It becomes division. So when you're taking 13 to your right hand side, it is divided by 13 you have. So x minus 2763 divided by 86 is equal to 208 divided by 13. Okay, this comes to the denominator of the right hand side. 13 comes to the denominator of the right hand side. Now you have to divide this 208 by 13. Okay, you have to consider 20, because 13 is there. So 1 times 13 is 13. Balance you have a 7, and take this 8 here, and you have 6 times 13 is 78. So we have, when you dividing 208 by 13, you get the answer is 16. And now after simplifying this, you have to take this 86 to your right hand side. It goes to broad, because it is in here, it is in division. So when you're taking division to other side, it comes to multiplication. Okay, so 16 into 86 you have to do it. Here easily using Vedic mathematics, we can easily multiply the 16 and 86. What is the trick is, you have to multiply these two. 6 into 6 is 36, 6 is written, 3 is carry forward, and you have to cross multiply these two numbers and add it. Okay, 6 into 8 is 48, 48 into 1, 48 plus 6, 1 into 6 is 6, so 48 plus 6 is 54, and 54 is added with this carry forward number 3, which is 57, and 7 is written, 5 is again carry forward, and you have to multiply this last two numbers. 1 into 8 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay, so here this is the, using Vedic mathematics, we can get the product of these two numbers easily, and this video link is available in the description box. If you want, please have a look on it. Now you have to replace the 16 into 86 by 1376. After that, you have to take this minus 2760 to your right hand side, it becomes a plus 2763. So when you adding these two numbers, 3 plus 6 is 9, and 6 plus 6, then you have to add these two numbers. 6 plus 7 is 13, 3 is written, 1 is carry forward, and 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 is written, 1 is carry forward, and 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So the value of x is equal to 4139, which is our final answer. Now we will see how to find the missing number for this problem and this expression. You have to, as usual, you have to replace the question mark by x. So your problem becomes 3565 divided by 23 plus 4675 divided by x is equal to 430. We have to find out the value of x now. And according to the order of operations, in our problem we have division and pluses there. So according to that order of operations rule, we have to evaluate division first. So we have to simplify these two terms first. Okay, so your problem becomes 3565 divided by 23 plus 4675 divided by x is equal to 430. So you have to divide this 3565 by 23. 23 is there and 35 is there here. So this one time 23 is 23. So write it here, and the balance you have is 12, and take the 6 here. And here when you take how many times 23 is 126. Suppose we consider 6 into 2 is 12, and 12 is there, and here 3 into 6 is 18. So when it exceeds, when you're taking 6 into 23, it exceeds 126. So we take it to be 5. 5 into 3 is 15. 5 is written, 1 is remaining, and 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 5 times 5 times 23 is 115, and balance is 11, and you have to take this 5 again here, and just now we got it. 5 times 23 is 115, which is the answer here. Okay, that is whenever you divided 3565 by 23, the answer is 155. Now you have to take this 155 to your right hand side. It becomes minus 155. That is 430 minus 155, which is equal to 4675 by x. When you subtracting these two numbers, we get 275, and you have to take this x to your right hand side and 275 to your denominator of the left hand side, or you can, when you simplifying this, you get the value of x. So 4675 is divided by 275. When you dividing this by 5, because both the terms are ending with 5, so divide this by 5. 5 times 5 is 25, balance is 2, and 5 times 5 is 25. And here again, when in numerator, 9 times 5 is 45, 1 is remaining, 3 times 5 is 15, and 2 is remaining, and 5 times 5 is 25. Again, when you dividing this by 5, 11 times 5 is 55, and here when you taking this by, divide this by 5, 1 time 5, 5, and 4 is remaining, 43, 8 times 5 is 40, and 3 is remaining, 7, 35 you have, 7 times 5 is 35, and then when you divide this by 11, that is 187 by 187 is divided by 11, the 17 is the answer. So the value of x is equal to 17. Okay, that's all for this video. If you have any doubts, please provide in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Keep watching our YouTube channel AlphaNumericTricks for more videos. Thank you.